Every day I see you swimming too. It's me, your man, both night and morn, watching till I dream when I'm alone. My heart already torn. Your skin is soft, your hair flows down, your hands that lay the water round, your waist so small, your cheeks so fair, you turn and show your back laid bare. I can't stop my despair. I want to swim beside you there, but fate won't grant the wish I bear. The water flows like river's tide, I only watch you swim, can't hide, longing deep inside. I watch so long, don't want to part. I wish I were the water's heart, so you could swim in me all